fuck all of that shit. You know what? You want? Okay, I'm gonna show you how you can also listen to music. You can, you just if you don't wanna deal with, yeah, I'm a human. I'm a human. I'm a human. What? I'm a human. What? Yeah. Okay. That was weird. Okay, if you don't wanna deal with any bullshit, with any like MP3 GBD fucking gay shit, players that give you viruses, that scam you for your cash, give you like pay out like they like take out like a loan on you, you can use Bitview. Hold up, I have, actually, no wait, that's music. You go to Bitview, you click, you type in music. Why did the gamer guy show up? Okay, and we can look for music. Man, music. Here's some guys' music. A cool song with Minecraft PS3. Okay, I like that title. Uh, a cool. Okay, gameplay. Okay, yeah, I don't know what the fuck that is. Whatever. To 2024 audio project. What the fuck? It's like some sort of fucking penis music or some shit like that. You know what? You know what? Yeah, I'm gonna show you a better example. Okay, whatever. Fuck all those motherfuckers. Okay, so I'm just gonna show you what you can listen on Bitview. So there's a couple of people on Bitview that I'm subscribed to that you can listen to. One of them is Gaming or some shit like that. If you're like a
retarded, it's so fucking cool. I hate
Did you
the
just call me
world
retarded?
I live in, it's so fucking cruel.
two other channels I recommend listening to is this Hanchi person. She has like a pink cookie profile that I would like to eat, and she sounds like one of the chipmunks from Alvin and the Chipmunks.
So I don't know if you guys understand how insane the impact is when my nose is.
Yeah, so she probably like sucks up a lot of helium before making these videos. Another channel I would recommend is it's called Pika Plays Guitar. It's an awesome channel. He does pretty awesome. Oh shit! He does pretty awesome covers. And this is dog looking at him. Stupid pride. Fucking idiot dog. I'm also aware of this guy, ADHD, or bored with ADHD. I don't know if he has ADHD or if he's bored of having ADHD, or what does he HD? Does he I don't know. But this guy's been around for a long time on Bitview, and yeah, so you gotta respect the OGs. Also this guy, I'm pretty sure this guy doesn't like me, but that's I think that's yeah, this guy, yeah, whatever.